next part, that is f bit. So reduce these fractions to their lowest term. So here this can be what term? Lowest. So how will you do? Any one table, you have to see the numerator and the denominator goes in only one table. That is, let's see, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. With 2 only you have to do. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So here, if you cancel these two, you are getting 2 by 3. So this further you can divide. No, this is a 2 and 3. So only 2 table, only 3 table. So we cannot do this. So this is the lowest fraction. Next, here also same thing. 2 ones are 2 fives are. 2 ones are 2 fives are. So 2 to get cancelled, 1 by 5. This cannot be further divided. Okay. So that's why this is the lowest method. Now here see, any one table, both numbers should be gone. So here see which table it goes. For 9 fours are 9 nines are. Yes, 9 fours are 9 nines are. So 9 9 get cancelled, 4 by 9. 4 and 9 goes in any one table? Never. So this is the lowest term. So till you have to divide till the lowest term you have to get. Okay. Now next G1. G1 is compare the fraction by putting greater than, less than or equal to symbol. So first we have to compare these two numbers. If they are both same digits, for example if it's here also 3, then denominators are same, means just you have to compare the numerator. But here how it is? Here 7 is there, here 3 is there. So we cannot find out. So for that what we have to do? We have to cross multiply. Means this 4 by 7 is multiplied by 3 because the denominators always should be same. Then only we can compare the number. So same like that, 4 by 3 is multiplied by 7 and divided by 7. Okay. So now 4 3s are 12. 7 3s are 21, 4 7s are 28 and 7 3s are 21. So both are same here, denominators are same, means now just we have to compare the numerators. That is 4 by 7, this is now, that is 12, and here 4 by 3 is there, that is 28. So 12 is less than 28 or greater than 28? Obviously less than. So then 4 by 7 is less than 4 by 3. Like this we have to compare the numbers. First you have to check whether the denominators are same or not. If they are same, just compare the numerators. If not, then you have to cross multiply. This will be multiplied by 3 and this will be multiplied by 7. Why we are doing this? Because to get the denominator equal. Is it? Now, next part. Next part is 9 by 9. So, this directly you can cancel it. 9 by 9 is 1 and here also 1. So, both are equal. So, equal symbol you have to give. Next, H bit. See here. Here see, both denominators are equal. Here 6, here 6. So, just you have to write the denominator, then 4 plus 2. So, 4 plus 2 is how much? 6 by 6. That is equals to 1. Like this, we have to find out the additional number. Okay. If denominators are same, directly you have to add the numerator and you have to find it. See, 6 ones are 6 ones are. That's why 1 is the answer. Now here see, this is the mixed fraction and one more thing is they are both different. So how will you do? First, mixed fraction to improper fraction we have to find out. So how will you do? Already you know from the previous class. So 7 5s are. 7 5s are how much? 35. 35 plus 3 is 38 by 5. Then plus 5 3 is a 15. 15 plus 1 is 16 by 3. We got the improper fraction, but here both are different. So if they're different, what we have to do? We have to cross multiply. So how will you do cross multiplication? 38 by 5 into 3 by 3 means multiply by 3 and divide by 3. And 16 by 3 is equals to multiply by 5 and divide by 5. Why we are doing this? Because the denominators should be equal. If denominators are equal, then only we can compare, we can add or we can subtract or we can multiply the answer. So here 5 3s are 15. Here also 5 3 is the 15. Denominators are same. Just you have to multiply the numerator. So 38 into 3, that is 3 8 is 24. 3 3 is 6. 3 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Is it? Next, 16 5s are 5 6 are 30. 5 1s are 5 80. So here 114 plus 80. Is it? 114 by 15 plus 80 by 15. How will you do this? So here 114 by 15 and 80 by 15. So denominators are same, just you have to add the numerators. So 4 plus 0 is 4, 8 plus 1 is 9 and 1. So 194 by 15. So this we have to do by mixed fraction because the question is a mixed fraction. How will you do? 15 divided by 194. So how will you do? 15 ones are 15. So here 44. So 15 table where it comes 44. 15 2s are 30. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So how will you write in mixed fraction? Always this coefficient should write first, then this remainder up and down denominator. So 12 14 by 15 is the mixed fraction. So 7 3 by 5 plus 5 1 by 3 is equals to 12 14 by 15 is the answer. Clear? So here first we have to mixed fraction is there. From there we have to improper fraction. Then you have to find the denominators equal or not. Then you have to add, and the question is in mixed fraction, that was answer should you do in mixed fraction. 1 by 5 plus means 1 mixed fraction and 1 improper fraction. So here 5 and the 5 plus 1 is 6 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So here no need to do because the denominators are equal. So 5 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 how much? 7 by 5. So here 7 by 5 is the answer. Is it? Now I bit. I bit is, say, fill in the blanks. First question. Fraction that have same denominators are called dash fraction. If the denominators are same, then we call it as a like fraction. What we call it as? Like fraction. Like fraction means, this I think already you have discussed in the mathematics textbook. This is mental runner. In mathematics we have already these definitions clear. Just I am briefly explaining. There you can clearly know the definition. Fraction that which have the denominators are same, that is called like fraction. Fraction having different denominators, say like this, different denominators, now that are called unlike fractions. What we call it as a unlike fraction. Next, third one. A fraction that has the numerator greater than or equal to the denominator is called improper fraction. If the numerator is more than the denominator, we call it as a improper fraction. Is it? Next. A fraction which is the numerator less than the denominator. Numerator if it's less, then what will we call it as a proper fraction. If numerator is less, proper. If numerator is greater, then improper. For example, see, here what we are getting 38 by 5 means it is an improper fraction. If 1 by 3 means only take 1 by 3. So it is the smaller. So it is the proper fraction. Is it? Then the numeral written above the line, what we call it as a, already I said, that is a numerator. So what we call it as a numerator. And the numerator below the line which number we have to write, that is called denominator. Next, the bar drawn between the numerators. So this line drawn between numerator and denominator, that is called vinculum. What we call it as a vinculum. This bar or dash by, this is called vinculum. So Is it clear?